Hello people, today we will do sets in Python. It is another type of data collection data type in Python which is unordered and doesn't allow duplicate elements in it. So to create a set in Python we have to just make it like this at 1 and use curly brackets to make set. So we can create set by putting numbers 4 and if I put 5 in this and now if I print set1 and I run this, see it does not allow duplicate elements. As you can see from here, only one 5 is printed, not other 5 is printed, not two 5s is printed. And yes, this is and now if you want to add more elements to it, you can add add button, add to it, like if you want to add 6 and if you want to add another mm, like 7 and so on. So now if I run this and you can see 6 and 7 is also added to the set or set1, 6 and 7. And yes, and now if you want to remove this, just simply type uh, remove and which number you want to remove. Like if I want to remove 6 and if I run this uh, sorry, removes, my spelling is wrong for remove. Now if I type is this and if I run this, c6 is also removed. And now if I try to remove some like element which is not in the list, like uh, like 8, it will gonna show us error, see, because it is not there. So to use this we can use discard, and if I put now 8, now no error is not going to show us. Sorry, discard, my spelling is wrong again. Is card, yes. Oh, card. And now if I put right and now I run this, see no error is shown. So this is the difference between remove and discard. Remove is going to show us error, not discard. So yes, another we can use pop. It's just going to remove randomly element from it. And if I run this, see it's removed. 7 is 1 is removed from here. And if I do another pop, sorry, 1, and now if I run this, say 2 is removed. So this is it. Now for example, let's make two sets of first with odd numbers, uh, 5, 7 and 9. Now let's make another 2-second set. You can name anything. I have named in set 2, you can name anything like t5 and I can also name it even. Let's name it even. And if I put the 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, and let's put some prime number also, and 2 5 7, yes, that's it. Now let's name it node. Yeah, that's it. Now if you want to union these two of them, odd and even, so you can do this by I odd dot union, and with the whom you want to union. I want to union with even set. So now if I print the a and run this, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I can also do the intersection between these also, like intersection, and now I run this. See, set as returned because it has no common value from that. Now if I intersect from prime set, so prime, yeah. Now if I run this, 5 and 7 is printed because 5 and 7 is common in odd and prime variable. And let's do another things like difference between sets. Let's make a two set. uh, let's name it set 1, and let's put some numbers in it, 5 6 and 7 and 8. And let's make another set 2, and let's put some numbers in it also. Comma 9, comma 10, comma. Now if I try to do difference of this, set 1 dot difference and set b2. Now if I print a, now if I run this, see the common elements from is removed 1 2 3, and the remaining from set 1 is printed out. And if I do the reverse of it, so like set 2 and here set 1, and if I run this, the common elements from set 2 is going to show us. And if I and see also, like if I print our set uh, print our set 1, it's also going to remain same. It doesn't going to update it. See, our the value of this difference is stored in a, and stored in a, and it does not update that value. See, and this is a difference. And we can also do symmetric difference here. Let's do it. Yes. And if I run this, see 4 5 6, it has added those also from set 1 and 2. So if I remove this, now you can see clearly, like see 4 5 6, and it means that it has removed the common elements and union them, set 1 and set 2, the remaining elements. So this is it. And if now if I try to do like update, now see that, now now if I do like this, set 1 dot update set 2. Now if I run this set 2, yes, now print set 1. Now if I print set 1, it's also going to change. See, yeah. And other thing we can do like intersection update, like, so let's remove this section, update. Now if I run this, see common elements are in the set, the value of set 2 is now changed. See, now if I'm printing set 1, it's changed. Now if I can also do like revise versa of it, like set 2, and if I set 1, now see that the set 1 is same. Now set 2 is changed by updating by this intersection update, not set 1. Let's print both so you can see clearly. uh, Set 2. Now if I run this, see the set 1 is same, and now the set 2 is updated. See, set 2 is updated. The value of set 2 is now changed. And other thing, yes, the difference update. We can also do difference update also in this. Yes. And now if I run this, see that the set 2 values also change. The common elements from 1 to 3 is removed, and remaining 9, 10 and 12 is printed out. But if I remove this, only I put difference, and now I run it. See, the value is does not updated. It's going to remain same. And but the this value of this sixth line code is we have to store in another variable, like we have to store in like a. And now if I print a and run this, see the value is now stored in this 9, 10, 11, 12. And we can also do like subset of this also, like if you want to check its set 2 is subset of let's be with the 1 and 2. So yeah, 2 and is subset. Now if I run this, false, which means that all of it, it means that 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8, but the element 5 6 7 it's not there in set 2, so it's showing us false. But if I put this like uh, also the 5 6 7 8 elements in this, like if I copy this and paste it right here, and also the 4, and this. Now if I run this, it's going to show us true. See, because because set 1 is superset of set 2, because 2 contains all the elements which has in 1. So we can also verify like reverse in also, like if set 2 is of 1, and if I run this, yes, it's false, because 9 now in set 1 9 10 11 12 is not there, so it is going to show us false. And other thing like let's try disjoint. Yes, now if I run this, it's going to show us false. Why? Because the elements, they it disjoint mean it should not means that there should be no same element in set 1 and set 2, but there are. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 till 8 there are same elements in set 1. So if I make another set 3, and if I put some values in it like 13 14 and 15, now if I compare set 1 to set 3, okay, now if I run this, it's going to show us true. That means it is disjoint set. Yeah, that's it. Yes, now this is it. And I have let's try to copy. I have told already in list how to copy, but let's try one more time. Like I want to copy the same set like this, and set 1. So we have to like this. So now if I print both of these, let's first of all add like 3 to it. No, or 3 is already there, so let's put 9. And if I print set 2 and another set, let's print set 1 also. Now if I run this, oh sorry, set, oh sorry, set 2, I have to write set 2 here. Yes. Now if I run this, see the 9 is also added in set 1 that we don't want. So to do that, to make a copy, you have to type copy here, copy, and close this. Now if I run this, see the set 1 is going to remain same, but we can do modifications in set 2. It does not going to affect in set 1. And another we can do like set of set 1. This is also going to do the same thing. See, set 1, it does not affect set 1, but we have made the copy of the set 1. Okay, yes, this is it for today in sets, and we will do tomorrow, we will do dictionaries in Python. Thank you for watching it.